few of our followers, they have proper documents, they have proper relieving letter. However, they are trying to hide some of the short duration experience in the resume as well as in the background verification. Okay. Even though it is irrelevant or relevant experience, irrespective of that, if your experience or your service history captured in your PF account, you must capture in your resume as well as in your background verification documents or background verification form. Don't miss that. Even though very short duration, even though 15 days of experience, if it is captured in your PF account, you must capture that experience. If you forget in capturing in the resume or during the interview, forget about that, but you must capture in the background verification form saying that this is very short duration and give the proper justification for the very short duration. Okay. If you face any background verification related problems, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.